There's an epidemic gripping our nation, and we need to talk about it. Do you have a friend or loved one who's exhibiting any of these concerning signs? When they witness someone exhibiting the slightest little bit of selfish behavior, do they call them a narcissist? Do they say that anyone who voices a different perspective from their own is gaslighting them? When they can't find their favorite t-shirt, do they call it a trauma or an existential life crisis? Does your friend or loved one assume that life as a human should be happy and carefree by default, and anything other than that is problematized? Do they too quickly pathologize the sea of troubles inherent to being a human? Do they see one concerning behavior and jump to the conclusion that it signifies the presence of full criteria for a mental health disorder? If so, your friend or loved one may be suffering from a serious condition called concept creep. Concept creep involves taking mental health terms and overgeneralizing them to the point that they lose their intended meaning and send us all careening toward an ether of meaninglessness. It also involves difficulty distinguishing between the normal woes of human existence versus concerning mental health phenomena. Concept creep is a serious condition. This is not a laughing matter. The Comedic Health Council estimates that at least 67% of people who are currently living in an over-therapized culture have lost the ability to distinguish between well-defined mental health terms and overextended, distorted versions of them. Unfortunately, there is no current cure for concept creep. We do not yet have an ointment, tincture, or dramatically marketed pharmaceutical available to the public. However, the preliminary data from non-peer-reviewed studies is suggesting that mental health education from quality sources that shall remain nameless can help prevent the condition. If you're concerned that your friend or loved one is suffering from concept creep, please don't delay. Don't let them be concept creepy. Get them help today.